Hello, this is Nathan with UnitConnect. In this tutorial, I will be covering how to add additional charges or reoccurring charges to an existing tenant. So in order to add additional charges, I will need to first select an existing tenant. I'm going to come over from our dashboard into my Properties tab. Now I'm going to go ahead and select an existing property. Then I'm going to select a tenant within this property. Please refer to other videos on YouTube that go over how to add a new property and how to add new tenants to a vacant unit. This video is for users that have already gone through these steps. So now that I've selected my tenant, I'm going to go over to the left-hand side to the Tenant Info section under Actions. And I'm going to scroll down a bit, and here we can see all of the information that's related to this tenant. If I go to the top, we can refer to 4 different tabs: Tenant Info, Rent Details, Notes, and Payments. I'm going to click on the Rent Details section. Here under the Rent Details tab, I'm going to scroll down to the bottom, and this is where we can add or modify additional charges. So in a previous video, I had added a monthly utility charge for this tenant. Here I'm going to go ahead and give an example for an additional charge. So I'm going to go ahead and select Add here at the bottom of the screen. And for the start date, I'm going to select the beginning of the month. The occurrence is going to be once. The description is going to be miscellaneous. I'm going to select $100 as the charge. I'm going to put the end date as the end of the month, and the category I will put under miscellaneous, and click Save. So now we can see that we have added that one-time charge right here, and we can see that broken down. If we wanted to add a monthly charge, again, I would just select Add. I would put the start date in this example at the beginning of the lease. The occurrence would be set to monthly. Again, I'm just going to set it as, maybe in this example, I'll use a utilities as the example. The amount, let's say, is $50. The end date will be the end of the lease. And in this example, we're using a residential 1-year lease ending on December 31st, 2020. And for the category for the utilities, I'll just select electric for this example and go ahead and click Save. If I wanted to go ahead and modify one or delete one, I can simply select it and go down to either modify or delete. If I click modify, then I can go ahead and change any of these fields and click Save. And if I want to delete it, I'll just go ahead and click delete. Are you sure you want to delete this additional charge? Delete. And so now it's gone from this tenant. So that's how you go ahead and add additional charges to a tenant. I hope you found this video helpful. Be sure to check out other videos on our YouTube channel. Thank you so much and have a great day.